how to fix canonical issues in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to our online store located here on the left hand side, and from here make sure you're in themes. And now we want to go right next to this customize button. There are these three dots. You want to click on these. You're gonna go ahead and click edit code, and it should take you to this page. And as you can see, there are a number of folders here, and what we are looking for is this snippets folder. So under that, you want to scroll down until you see this one right here, product/thumbnail.liquid. I'm just going to click on that, and now if I press Ctrl F on my keyboard, I can search for a certain keyword, which is within, and when you type that in, it will highlight wherever that's in the text. So in this case, it's typed in here, and that's the only place it's typed in. So when you find that, you want to make sure if it looks like that, you want to delete this section right here. Just delete it like that, and that should usually fix the problem. If not, you can go into the apps and you can uninstall any apps that from after which you've installed them, this problem started arising. So if you have any recent apps which you have installed, you can try to delete those and to see if that fixes the issue. If not, this should be fixing the code should do the trick. So once you're done with that, you just click on save here in the top right, and that's it. That's how you fix canonical issues in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.